Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check real battery health on iPhone. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to go to the settings, and if we scroll down we'll find battery right here, and if we click on it we can have here a button called battery health and charging. If we click on it, we can see our maximum capacity. In my case it is 79%, but this is not real battery health. So in this video I'll show you how to see the real battery health. To do this we need to close settings and go to our preferred browser. In my case it will be Safari, and here I need to simply type in iPhone battery shortcut and then search for it, and here the first website is what we need, so click on it and wait until it will load completely. Now you need to scroll down a little bit until you will find battery stats shortcut and click on it, and now it will allow us to open it in shortcuts, so we need to click on open it here, and basically now it will load our battery shortcut and you need to simply click on add shortcut. Now you need to close it and go to settings once again. Go back here and scroll down to the bottom until you will find privacy and security. Here in the privacy and security, scroll down to the end until you will find analytics and improvements. Click on it and here go to analytics data. Choose the last analytics here, so in my case it will be this one. Click on it. And now in the top right corner you need to click on the share button. Scroll down a little bit and you will find battery stats right here. Click on it and it will show you the real battery health. So in my case, as it says, relative to when it was new, your battery capacity is 75.31. So basically this is my real battery health. And basically that is it. That is how we can check real battery health on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.